welcome back to my channel. I hate long intros, so we're going to get right into it. Today is day 6 of Vlogmas, Craftmas, or Crochetmas, whatever I actually officially title this. So today I have a different project. I got a few of these Miniverse Make It mini balls on sale for Black Friday. I think that's the only thing that I bought for Black Friday. And I'm pretty excited about doing these with Molly. We have a lot of fun, so I hope you like watching these too. The Miniverse Make It Mini that I got this time was the Lifestyles, and I believe this is Series 2. It has all of these cute things in it here. I kind of like all of the options, so I wasn't really worried about which one we would get because I think they're all very cute. I am partial to the cat teapot and teacups, so I was hoping for one of those a little bit. The one that we actually got was a blue and purple teapot, and I was kind of excited about this one because I've never used this mica powder before, and I was hoping that the teapot would be really cute. And that's pretty much where all the positivity from this particular project ends, because this was awful. Everything about this project was terrible. The mica powder got everywhere, which, you know, that happens, but it was just such a frustrating project. I got mica powder all over my hands, all over everywhere, really. And then trying to squeeze the resin out of this little container was absolutely ridiculous. It took forever. It just didn't want to come out. I don't know if that was user error or if this kit's just not great. And then trying to harden this was ridiculous. It was still kind of wet after, I think it was over 20 minutes for the pink teapot, and then when I finally got it hardened, the little holes for the handle just, it wouldn't work. It wouldn't fit. Everything about it was awful. It was a total fail, and I'm not sure if I did something wrong or the kit's just not great. It's definitely not beginner friendly, so I would recommend, if you want to do one of this lifestyle series too, probably don't unless you're really confident or you're an old pro at doing these resin kits, because this was not fun. I was so frustrated by this kit. This kit made me say swear words. We'll just put it that way. This kit made me say swear words, and I was having an awful time. And you can see there the handle doesn't even fit, so this was a total fail. It was so frustrating. Anyway, on to the next one. I honestly just kind of hoped that we didn't get another teapot because it was it was terrible. I'm laughing now, but I was so frustrated. Molly literally asked me probably every couple of minutes, "Mother, do you just want to stop? We can just stop." And I'm like, "No, I just want to finish this. I just want to finish this." And we did, but it was terrible. We had fun together. So the silver lining was I got to hang out with Molly, and that's always fun. We did end up with another teapot, and I sort of hoped that maybe this one would be better. It's also much cuter. It is one of the cat versions, which I was kind of excited about, but I wasn't excited about doing another teapot because it took so long to harden. I was holding the light for 20 minutes for the first one. And yeah, the second one wasn't any better. I spent 40 minutes just holding a UV light trying to harden these teapots. And they're still sticky. It's still not dry. I don't know if I was doing it wrong. I watched a couple other videos, and it kind of seemed like other people who were making these kits also had a hard time with the teapots. So I'm glad that it wasn't me just having a hard time with this. Not that I want anybody to have a hard time with it, but it made me feel really bad. And these two kits made me say so many swear words. I was so frustrated. And I just wanted, like, towards the end, I just wanted to get it done. I wasn't having fun anymore, and the whole thing was just kind of terrible. It was all terrible. So if you're going to do any of the mini brands or Miniverse, just don't do this one. I haven't tried any of the other resin kits from Miniverse, but I have tried some from mini brands. But yeah, this one, I would say just don't do this one. They're really cute, but they don't turn out. Everything about it was awful. And we couldn't get the little cat stickers to just stick. So they kept peeling off, and it was really terrible. Everything about it was just kind of a fail. I did have fun because I was with Molly, but this set just, it's not good if you ask me. I just, Ugh. I don't even have anything. I'm trying so hard. I don't want to be rude about this set, but it was so terrible. There was resin everywhere. The mica powder was everywhere. I had fun because I was with my daughter, but if I had done this kit by myself, I wouldn't have had fun. I would have been so upset and frustrated that I wasted money and time trying to make this little kit, and it's terrible. Everything about it's awful. So as a beginner or a noob to these types of craft kits, I would say skip this series maybe. I'm not sure if the other ones are any better. I haven't tried a lot of the Miniverse ones, but this one I would say skip. I just had a terrible time with this one. It just wasn't fun. So I would say skip these. And yeah, that's it. That's it. I did these two with Molly. We had fun, spending time together, but as far as the project we were doing, we we didn't have nearly as much fun as I had hoped. So that kind of sucked, but these are our teapots. I don't know. I guess that's it. That's it for today. I don't know what else to say other than I had a bad time with this particular project, and I hope that you guys like watching craft fails, at least for this video. So that's it. I don't even know. You can like this if you liked it, and leave a comment down below if you've tried this kit. Um, Subscribe, hit the bell notification and all that. Thank you for watching. Sorry this video is not at all what I expected. Um, yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll try again. We'll just try again tomorrow, okay? All right, bye.